white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write, may your day be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Howdy, 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 howdy Christmas, howdy Christmas, howdy, 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 howdy Christmas, howdy Christmas, howdy, 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 howdy Christmas, howdy Christmas. Oh, mama, like the roses, but most of all, she'd care. She decorate the living room for all us kids to see. Oh, mama, like the roses, but most of all, she'd care about the way we learn to live and listening to our prayer. when I hear the Sunday bells ringing in the morning, I'll remember crying when we used to sing, oh mama, like the roses. But most of all, she'd care. She decorated the living room for all us kids to see. Oh mama, like the roses. But most of all, she'd care about the way we learn to live and listening to our prayer. When I hear the Sunday bells ringing in the morning, I'll remember crying when we used to sing, oh mama, like the roses. But most of all, she'd care. She decorated the living room and listening to our prayer. Oh mama, like the roses. But most of all, she'd care about the way we learn to live and listening to our prayer. Oh mama, like the roses. 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 Your burden heavy as you bear it all alone? Does the road you travel harbor dangers yet to know? Are you growing weary with the struggle of it all. Jesus will help you. Just what the name you call. He's always there, hearing every prayer, faithful and true. Walking by outside, in His love we hide all the day through. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus. He's reaching out to you. Is the life you're living filled with sorrow and despair? Does the future push you with its worry and its care? Are you tired and friendless? Have you almost lost your way? Jesus will help you. Just one the name you call. He's always there, hearing every prayer, faithful and true. Walking by outside, in His love we hide all the day through. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus. Reach out to Jesus. Come on and reach out to Jesus. He's real.